Are you looking for the best cordless irons? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless irons on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Panasonic 360 Freestyle Cordless Iron. This is one of the most unique irons we've ever seen. With a pointed tip at each end of the sole plate and no cord to get in the way, you can iron in any direction. Its design means the entire sole plate is usable, not just the tip or center. You'll not only get your ironing done faster, but you'll never have the flat end scrunching and wrinkling up what you've just pressed. Dewrinkling large items, like tablecloths and draperies, is particularly easy and speedy with this iron. The holes around its entire perimeter allow it to emit steam from any direction. It has a removable water tank for easy filling at the sink. Steam, spray and temperature controls are all located on the handle for convenient one-finger reach. If you get called away, the base automatically shuts off if no movement is sensed after 10 minutes, so there's no fear of inadvertently leaving it on. We love the deep button groove that runs around the entire sole plate, so whenever you come across a button, rivet or snap you can quickly zip around it. Number 2. SteamFast SF760 Portable Cordless Steam Iron. Power 1200W auto shut off after 8 minutes without movement. Notable features: burst and continuous steam, spray mist, vertical steam. SteamFast's cordless iron has features that rival other more expensive cordless irons, including a 7-second reheat time and steam that can be dispensed as a burst or a continuous stream. We haven't tested this cordless iron yet, but we have tested other garment steamers from the brand and trust their performance. The iron is covered by the brand with a 2-year warranty, and online reviewers love its lightweight size. Take note that the sole plate on this model is a bit smaller than our other picks, so getting through large projects will take more time. Other notable features include a water mister, 6-ounce water tank capacity and 8-minute auto shut-off for safety. Number 3. Panasonic Cordless Iron NI QL1000. This is an updated version of the 360-degree Freestyle model we've chosen as our best overall pick. But this newer model from Panasonic is packed with helpful features for the most avid quilters. One complaint we often hear from crafters online is that most irons' auto shut-off functions kick in too quickly, making for longer wait times between crafting steps. This model's auto shut-off gives you 30 minutes before the iron shuts off, which is plenty of time to get the next piece of fabric ready. Tipped sole plates make getting into tight corners easier, and this cordless iron has a double-sided sole plate so you can smooth out collars, pleats and more in both directions. A detachable water tank makes refilling during big quilting projects more efficient. Leave the iron on the base to heat up while you refill the tank at the sink. The base is a bit bulkier than the other models on this list, but the heat-resistant carrying case makes it convenient to carry to and from quilting group events, and the retractable cord allows for easier storage.